Channel and tutorials. So in this video, I'm going to talk about class level chapter 3 trigonometric functions exercise 3.3 from 21st question to 25th question. So before that, I have already uploaded exercise 3.2 introduction plus already solutions and exercise 3.3 question number 1 to question number 20. If you want, I'll provide the link in the description box. You can see the video. Okay, let's start. So So first let us write. I wrote the left hand side over here. First in a numerator, which formula you have to use? This one or this one? You have to use definitely this one because all cos are there. So this one you have to apply. But in the previous questions, we used to apply formula for only two terms, right? But this time it has came three terms. So we have to apply only for two terms. So what you have to do with the other term, you have to keep it as aside. So how will be knowing whether which term we have to keep aside is, see, first when we add 4 plus 3, so it becomes 7x by 2. So when it comes 7x by 2, we cannot cancel it, right? So we cannot take. But when we take 4x plus 2x, that is 6x. So we can we can cancel it to 3, right? So that's why we are clubbing this and keeping this at a side. Okay, and same with the denominator also. Sign, we have to apply this formula, and this formula is also recommended only for two terms. Three terms are there, as same we did for numerator, right? So same we have to do with denominator also. See, if we see 4x plus 3x is 7x by 2, we cannot cancel it anything, so we cannot take this. But if we take 4x plus 2x, it becomes 6x, so we can easily cancel. So that's why I'm taking this both sides. Okay, and keeping sine 3x aside. So now clearly we can apply the formula now. See, cos 4x plus cos 2x is this one. So you have to apply 2 cos x is what? So cos is there. In place of x, 4x. So x value is 4x plus cos is there. In place of y, 2x. So if in place of y, 2x divided by 2. And again cos. So we know the value now, right? So we have to keep just minus sign change. Okay, so then again you have to apply a sine formula. So 2 sine x is what? Sine is there. In place of x, plus is okay. Sorry for writing, plus sign should come over here. Sine is there. In place of x, 4x. So x 4x plus sine is there. So in place of y, 2x y divided by 2, and again cos. So just we have to write change the sign. Okay, so write the same terms which we have kept aside. So keep is a bracket. Okay, let's start solving this. First 2 cos 4x plus 6x is 6x by 2. Cos 4x minus 2x is 2x by 2 plus cos 3x. 2 sine 4x plus 2x is 6x by 2 cos 2x by 2. So 2 get cancelled. 2 3s are 2 3s are 2 get cancelled. 2 get cancelled. So what is left out? Just let us write cos 3x cos 2x plus cos 3x. So again what is left out? Sine 3x plus into cos x plus sine 3x. So what we can do, we cannot cancel it, right? Anything, they are not same. So we can see over here in numerator cos 3x are there. Here sin 3x are there. So we can take common, right? So cos 3x. So what is left out? Cos 2x plus 1. And again here sin 3x is common. So cos, so sorry, the x plus 1. So here you can see cos x plus 1, cos x plus 1 is same. So cancel it. So cos 3x by sin 3x. So we know one formula, right? Cos x by sin x is what? Is cot x, right? As usual, cos by sin is cot. So in place of x, they have kept x. In place of x here, 3x. So cot 3x. So what they have said to prove is cot 3x we have to prove by taking left hand side. So we got it right. So this is the answer. So what you have to write? So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence verified. So let's start 22 question. So 22 question is cot x into cot 2x minus cot 2x cot 3x minus cot 3x cot x is equal to 1. So we have to take the whole left hand side and we have to prove it as 1. So let's start. So solution is, first what you have to do is, here first solution is, we can write 3x is like 2x plus x, right? So when we apply cot on both sides, then what will happen? Cot 3x you have to write as it is. So one formula we have like cot x plus cot y. Formula is what? Cot x into cot y minus 1 by cot y plus cot x. So same formula we are going to apply over here. See. So cot is there. In place of x, 2x. In place of y, x. So cot you write. In place of x, 2x. So again cot. Y is what? X minus 1 divided by cot. Y is what? X plus cot. X is what? 2x. So we have applied the formula. Next, just write cot 3x as it is. Same as it is once. So what you have going to do now is cross multiply. So just multiply cot 3x into this like this. Okay. So I have multiplied cot 3x into whole this and 1 into this. So just open the bracket, cot 3x into cot x. And again plus into plus is plus, cot 3x into cot 2x. So write as it is same what is there in the right hand side, okay? Minus 1. So what they have said in the question, we have to take all these things set aside and 1 should be at the only right hand side. So we can see already 1 is there in the right hand side. So we have to take this cot 2x and cot x also left hand side. So let's start taking this side, okay? First cot 3x, cot x write as it is. What is there in the left hand side? There is no need to keep it, okay? So what I have did, I took the only right hand side term, that is cot 2x and cot 2x over here. That is left hand side. That's why minus has came. Okay. So next what you are going to do, in question what they have said, we need first cot x and cot 2x. Okay. So just focus on cot 2x, cot x and cot 2x. So whether it is there or not. So it's there. So it is there here plus sign, but here it is minus. First keep it in order. Okay. First minus cot x minus cot 2x. Okay. Then and next terms are what? Cot 2x and cot 3x. So we have already there cot 2x and cot 3x, right, as it is. Okay. And next what they have asked, cot 3x and cot x. So cot 3x and cot 2x is equal to 1. So as we can see here, only cot x and cot 2x are plus sign. But here it is what? Minus sign. So multiply it by minus. Okay. Minus. So minus when you multiply it, when you take this is the whole term is what? One term. So let us take minus common. So cot x, cot 2x. Okay, minus minus become plus. Plus, and then what is there over here? Here a whole term is minus. Here whole term is plus. So we are multiplying whole term by minus, right? So when you multiplying whole term, minus minus will become plus. Minus plus by become minus. So here minus by plus minus. So the question is solved. Okay. So write as it is. We have proved it. So we have to write as 1. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence verified. So let's start our 23 question. So guys, 23 question is what? Tan 4x is equal to 4 tan x 1 minus tan square x 1 minus x tan square x plus tan power 4x. So what they are asking over here is, first take the tan 4x and prove it as this. So let us take left hand side. Okay, that is tan 4x. So in trigonometric formulas, what are the tan formulas? We know one formula, that is tan x tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. So you might be thinking, why did I wrote this formula? Because see, if we place in place of x is equal to 2x, what will happen? What will happen? Then tan in place of x you have to keep 2x. So 2 tan 2x by 1 minus tan square 2x. So then what will happen? Tan 2 of 2x, 2 tan x, 2 tan 2x, 1 minus tan square x. Till here I wrote, right? So what I have to do next? Proceeding. Why did I wrote? Because in question what they has tan 4x is equal to something. You have to prove. So tan 4x I took it, right? So we got. So you have to prove that the right hand side from here. Okay. So 2 tan 2x already I said what formula? 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. Okay, and again 1 minus tan. So don't remember about square, just think that tan square 2x, right? So don't think square is there, think tan 2x is there. So tan 2x formula is what? 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. So square is there, right? So keep it square. Okay. So let's start solving. First 2 2s are, we have to multiply this both whole, okay, by numerator. Okay. Here by 1 is there. So 2 2s are 4 tan x by 1 minus tan square x by, and again 1 minus. So you have to apply the formula. Okay. So 2 tan x whole square is how much? So this square will give to 2 and also for tan x. So 2 square is 4. Tan x is tan square x. Okay. So 4 tan square x. And again this will also apply for this also. Okay. So it will become 1 minus tan square x and become this square will become for this also. Okay. Whole square. Then what I have to write next? So 4 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x divided by, you have to solve. How we have to solve it? by taking LCM. Okay, I'm going to show over here. So first what you have to do, so 1 and 1 minus tan square x is whole square is what for LCM? 1 minus tan square x only formula. That is LCM is. So 1 minus tan square x whole square into 1 minus tan square x. So whole square. Then again what you have to do? We have to multiply it with this. So when they are both are same, it will get cancelled. What is left out? 4 tan square x. So you have to write like this. Okay. So what you have to write over here? Like this one. By 1 minus tan square x whole square. So as we can see, first it is in which form? This one. A by B by C by D. So what is the formula? This one, A by B into D by C. So A is this, B is this, and C is this, D is this. So write A and B, that is this both are same. So this divided will become into. So C by D means this is C, this is D. So what will happen? This will become reciprocal. So what will happen? Same here, they are same, right? So only one term will get cancelled. So what is remaining? 4 tan x into, there two terms are there, one term get cancelled. So one term is remaining. So 1 minus tan square x is remaining in the denominator. So what you have to do next? 4 tan x as it is, you keep it. Then so in which form? This form, right? A minus b whole square. That is what the formula of a minus b whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square, right? So a is what? 1. B is what? Tan square x. So a is what? 1. So 1 square is 1 minus 2. A is what? 1. B is tan square x. B is what? Tan square x. And again square is there, right? Square. So 4 tan x by 1 minus tan square x by 1 minus 2 into this whole. So what will happen? Tan x. So 2 2s are 4. Okay. So in the question what they have asked us? So they have asked 4 tan x, right? So what is remaining? Just let's solve it again. Tan square x. So and again 1 minus. So tan square x same are there. So minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6. So again tan square x same as it is. So tan power 4x. So we have to, what they have said, tan 4x, we have to prove it as this. So we got it. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence verified. Let's go to 24th question. So 24th question is what? Cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square x, right? So first let us proceed the question. Start the solution. So first we know one cos 2x formula, that is what? 1 minus 2 sin square x. So when we keep in place of x, that is 2x, so it becomes what? 2 and 2 sin square. X's place is 2x. So what will happen? So 2 2s are 4x. 1 minus 2 sin square 2x. So why I took like this? Because see what they are saying, we have to take the left hand side, that is left hand side cos 4x we have to take. and they are telling to make it as this one. Okay, that's why I'm making like this. If I take this formula, in place of x, if I keep 2x, it will become 4x, right? So automatically we can find the right hand side. So that's why I'm taking like this. So next, 1 minus 2. So we know sin 2x formula, right? Sin 2x formula is what? 2 sin x cos x, right? So like this only. So don't remember the square. Just remember sin 2x formula is this one. 2 sin x cos x. So square, keep it as up. Okay. So what will happen? 1 minus 2. So this the square will become 2 here. This one also, for this also. 2 square is 4. So sin square x cos square x. So 1 minus into plus is minus. 2 4s are 8 sin square x and again cos square x. So what they have said to prove? So it has proved. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence proved. So let's start 25th question. So 25th question is what? Cos 6x is equal to 32 cos 6x minus 48 cos power 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. So you have to take the left hand side and you have to prove it as this one. So left hand side cos 6x you have to take. So we know one formula, right? Cos 2x formula is what? Solution 2 cos square x minus 1. So if we keep in place of x 3x, so what will happen? 2 in place of x 3x and we have x 3x minus 1. So cos 6x it will become 2 cos square x 3x minus 1. So why I am keeping this? Because see, we need cos formula. So in the previous question what I took? In previous question I took sine. Why? Because sine formula. In cos 2x, two formulas are there. One is 2 cos square x minus 1 and again is 1 minus 2 sine square x, right? So here we know sine is there. That's why we have taken this formula. Okay. Here cos is there. That's why we are taking this formula. Okay. So if I keep in place of x, that it will become 36x. That's why I took. So, okay. It will become easy for us solving the proving the right hand side. Okay. So 2 cos 3x formula is what? As I have said, 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So don't think square is there. Just remember cos 3x formula is this. So in place of cos 3x, keep this formula. So square is there, keep it as square, minus 1. So what will happen? The square will, I'll explain over here. See, 4 cos cube x. So the square will become here for this also, for this also. So 4 square is 16. So 3 2s are 6x minus 3 cos square x. So write this over here. So multiply it by 2. Okay. So 2 16s are 16 2s are 32 cos 6 power x. And what is there next? So what you can see over here, it is a minus b whole square. Formula is what? A minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So what you have to do? Here you have to apply 2. A is what? This is a and this is b. So a is 16 cos power 6x whole square minus 2. A is what? This 16 cos power 6x. B is 3 cos square x plus b is this one, 3 cos square x whole square. So we can see over here. So 4 square. So the square belongs to 4 also. This also. 4 square is 16. Okay. So cos power So 3 2s is 6 power x. Next is what? 2 4s are 8. 8 3s is what? 24. So and then is what? So and 3 plus 1 is what? So we have one formula, a power n into a power n, that is a power n plus n, same as it is cos cube x into cos x is what? Just we have to add the powers. 3 plus 1, here 1 power is cos 4 power x. So like this, and then this 2 belongs to 3, and for this also. So 3 square is 9 cos power 4x and minus 1 as it is. So what will happen? We have multiplied 16 2s are 32 cos power 6x, and next is what? 2 into 24 is 48. 2 9s are 18. So here just we have to know is in cos x is there, and not multiply square for this cos square x. Okay, cos square x minus 1. So what they were asked in the question is, here we can see, yeah, they have said to prove like this. So we got it right. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, you have to prove. We have proved. Okay, left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence proved. So I have completed the exercise 3.3 from question number 1 to question number 25. So if you like this video, please like this video and subscribe the channel for more notifications. Thank you.